Hey everyone, this is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and in this video we're going to be checking out some pretty fancy earbuds from Tsumbay. These aren't your normal earbuds, they're specifically designed for music consumption with two high quality drivers in each speaker. This results in amazing dynamic power and clarity. Inside of the amazingly packaged box we find a clip to keep the cable in place on your shirt, a super soft storage pouch, and a small, medium, and large set of ear tips. It's pretty awesome to include all of those tips because we already have a pair installed on the earbud set, 4 in total. The build of the earbuds are not amazing, but luckily they pick up the slack in the audio department. The cable is somewhat stiff and does tangle pretty easily, and the remote is pretty plasticky. However, it does feature a pause, play button, as well as volume up and down. On the back of the remote there is a microphone for taking calls. The build of the drivers are a little bit better, but still very plasticky. These do fit very well in my ears, and I'm still using the tips that came with them, and they're pretty snug and comfortable. They don't fall out of my ears even with excessive shaking, and you really have to yank the cable to get them to budge at all. They fit really well and in turn cause better seal and more clear audio. These do have a 3.5mm audio connector, and there is no Bluetooth, so keep that in mind if your phone doesn't have a headphone jack. However, it does work well with the adapter. There are no issues, and audio controls do work with the iPhone, so you don't have to worry about losing that functionality or these being Android-specific earbuds. Audio quality is pretty good. They're not that expensive, and I was surprised by their performance. No, they're not going to sound better than a $100 pair of earbuds, but they sound pretty good for the price range that they're in. Audio isolation is great thanks to the amazing seal, and bass is also really strong. Vocals in music and dialogue in videos are crisp and clear, and overall I'm a really big fan of these earbuds. The major takeaway from these is that they perform exceptionally well for their price, come in with a ton of accessories, and is something that you should definitely consider picking up. If you're interested in doing so, I'll drop a link to them down in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and I will see you in the next one.